You know that green, spiky plant sitting in someone's garden or on a windowsill? The one that looks a little like a cactus, but softer? Most people walk past it every day and have no idea that inside those thick green leaves is something truly amazing. Today, we're going to talk about one of nature's greatest gifts, aloe vera. Some people call it the wonder plant, and by the end of this video, you will understand exactly why. Welcome to Biolix Health, the place where we make health simple, clear, and easy for everyone to understand. Whether you are 10 years old or 70 years old, we believe that learning about your health should feel good. So get comfortable, take a deep breath, and let us dive in. Let us start with a simple question. What even is aloe vera? Aloe vera is a plant. It has thick, green, pointy leaves. Inside those leaves, there is a clear gel. That gel is where all the magic lives. This plant has been used by humans for thousands of years. In ancient Egypt, people called aloe vera the plant of immortality. They believed it had the power to heal, protect, and restore the body. The ancient Chinese used it too. So did people in India, Greece, and all across Africa. For thousands of years, long before hospitals and medicine stores, people turned to this plant when they needed help. And guess what? Science today is proving them right. Aloe vera really does have powerful things inside it. It has vitamins, like vitamins A, C, and E. These vitamins help your body stay strong and fight off sickness. It also has something called enzymes, which help your body break down food and use it properly. And it has minerals, like calcium and magnesium, that help your bones and muscles work well. All of that packed inside one green leaf. That is why aloe vera is called the wonder plant. And we are just getting started. Let us talk about the very first benefit, and it is one you can biologically see. Aloe vera is great for your skin. Imagine this. You are playing outside on a hot, sunny day. You come back inside, and your skin feels hot, red, and water hollowing you. That is called a sunburn. And aloe vera is one of the best natural things you can put on it. When you apply the cool gel from an aloe vera plant onto sunburned skin, it feels like relief almost immediately. The gel cools the skin down, it helps reduce the redness, and it helps the skin heal faster. This works because aloe vera has something inside it called anti-inflammatory properties. Now that is a big word, but it simply means this. It helps reduce swelling and irritation. When your skin is burned or hurt, it gets inflamed, which means it swells up and gets red. Aloe vera steps in and calms that down. This is why aloe vera is in so many skin creams, lotions, and after-sun products. But it is not just for sunburn. Aloe vera also helps with dry skin. If your skin feels tight or flaky, especially in a dry or cold environment, aloe vera can bring it back to life. It acts like a moisturizer. It locks in water and keeps your skin feeling soft and healthy. And for people who struggle with pimples or acne, aloe vera can help reduce the redness and soreness that comes with it. It is gentle enough for sensitive skin, and it does not block your pores. So the next time your skin is asking for help, think about the wonder plant. Now here is something that surprises a lot of people. Aloe vera is not just for the outside of your body. You can also drink it. Many people drink aloe vera juice, and when they do, amazing things happen inside their stomach and digestive system. Let us talk about that now. Your digestive system is like a long tube inside your body. It starts at your mouth and goes all the way down. Its job is to break down the food, ococil, you eat and send the good stuff to your blood and organs. But sometimes this system has problems. Some people feel bloated, which means their stomach feels full of air and uncomfortable. Some people have constipation, which means they find it hard to go to the toilet. Some people have stomach pain or feel like their food is sitting heavy inside them. Aloe vera juice can help with all of these. It helps move things along in your digestive system smoothly. It soothes the lining of your stomach, like a gentle coat of comfort on the inside of your belly. It also helps reduce the kind of inflammation that can cause stomach pain. Some scientists believe that aloe vera can even help people with conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, where the stomach gets easily upset. Of course, if you have serious stomach problems, you should always see a doctor. But for everyday digestive comfort, a little aloe vera juice can go a long way. One important thing to know, though, only drink aloe vera juice that is made for drinking. Not all aloe vera products are safe to eat. The raw gel from the plant is fine on your skin, but the juice you drink should come from a trusted health store or brand. All right, we're about halfway through this journey together, and I want to take a moment to say something from the heart. If this video is helping you learn something new today, something that could make your health better, then we are doing exactly what we set out to do here at Biologix Health, and we would love to keep doing it. So if you have not done it yet, please take just 2 seconds right now and hit that subscribe button. It is free, and it means you will never miss a video like this one. Also, if you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up. It really helps our channel grow so that more people can find videos like this. And if you have a friend or family member who would benefit from learning about natural health, please share this video with them. You never know, what you share today could make someone's life better tomorrow. Okay, now back to the wonder plant. Let us talk about something very important: your immune system. Your immune system is like the army inside your body. Its job is to fight off bad things, like viruses and bacteria, that try to make you sick. When your immune system is strong, you get sick less often. When it is weak, even a small cold can knock you down. Aloe vera helps make your immune system stronger. It contains a special type of sugar called acamine. Now that name sounds very sciencey, but think of it this way. Acemanin is like a training program for your immune army. It helps the cells in fighters become better fighters. It also helps them communicate with each other faster, so that when something bad enters your body, the army can respond quickly. Studies have shown that acemanin can help the body fight certain infections and even some diseases. It is not a magic cure for everything, but it is a genuine helper. And when you combine aloe vera with a healthy diet, regular sleep, exercise, and clean water, you are giving your immune system everything it needs to protect you well. Now let us talk about something that many people deal with every day but do not always talk about: mouth and dental health. Your mouth is the starting point of your digestive system, and it is also one of the first places your body shows signs of health or illness. Some people have sore gums. Some people have mouth ulcers, those small, painful sores that form inside your mouth. Some people have bad breath, even when they brush regularly. Aloe vera can help with all of these. Studies have shown that aloe vera toothpaste and mouthwash can be just as effective as regular toothpaste at reducing plaque on teeth. Plaque is that sticky stuff that builds up on your teeth and causes decay if you do not remove it. Aloe vera also helps heal gum inflammation. If your gums bleed when you brush or feel sore and swollen, aloe vera gel applied gently can help calm them down and speed up healing. For mouth ulcers, applying a tiny bit of aloe vera gel directly onto the sore can help it heal faster and reduce the pain. And because aloe vera has antibacterial, which can help kill some of the bacteria in your mouth that cause bad breath. So the wonder plant is even looking out for your smile. Let us keep going, because there is still so much to talk about. Did you know that aloe vera can also help people who are managing their blood sugar levels? Blood sugar is the amount of sugar in your blood. When you eat food, especially sweet or starchy food, your blood sugar goes up. Your body then works to bring it back down. But for some people, this process does not work as well as it should. This is what happens in a condition called diabetes. People with diabetes have to be very careful about what they eat because their blood sugar can get too high or too low. Some research has shown that aloe vera juice, when taken carefully, can help support better blood sugar control. It seems to help the body respond better to insulin, which is the thing that helps move sugar from your blood into your cells where it is needed. Now, this does not mean aloe vera is a medicine for diabetes. If you or someone you know has diabetes, please work with a doctor. Do not replace medication with aloe vera without professional advice. But what this research tells us is that aloe vera has real, measurable effects inside the human body, effects that scientists are still discovering. And that is exciting. Let us also talk about something that affects so many people today: stress, tiredness, and low energy. We live in a busy world. Adults are stressed about work and money. Young people are stressed about school and friendships. Even children can feel tired and worn down. Aloe vera is not a coffee or an energy drink, but it does something quieter and more helpful. Because aloe vera helps your digestive system work better, your body absorbs more nutrients from the food you eat. And when your body is absorbing nutrients properly, it has more energy to do everything it needs to do. Think of it like this. Imagine your car is running on, the wrong fuel. It still moves, but slowly, with effort, and not very well. Now imagine you switch to the right fuel. Suddenly, the engine runs smoothly. Your body works the same way. When your gut is healthy and absorbing nutrients well, your whole body benefits. More energy, better mood, clearer thinking, and better sleep. And Aloe Vera supports that process from the inside. We are coming to the end of our time together today. And before we wrap up, I want to leave you with something simple. You do not have to make huge changes to start living healthier. You can start small. Maybe today, you plant an aloe vera plant in your home. They are easy to grow, they do not need much water, and they last for years. The next time you have a small cut or a burn or dry skin, instead of reaching for a product, you try the gel from the leaf. Maybe you try aloe vera juice one morning and see how your stomach feels. Small steps, simple changes. That is what Biologex Health is all about. Let us quickly recap everything we learned today. Aloe vera is a plant that has been used for thousands of years by people all over the world. It is full of vitamins, minerals, and powerful natural compounds. It helps heal and soothe the skin, especially for burns, dryness, and irritation. It supports your digestive system and helps your stomach feel comfortable and healthy. It strengthens your immune system so your body can fight off illness better. It supports your dental health and can help heal sores inside your mouth. It may help with blood sugar balance, especially for people who need extra support in that area. And it helps your body absorb nutrients better, giving you more energy and a healthier feeling overall. One plant, so many benefits. That is why it truly deserves the name, the Wonder Plant. Thank you so much for watching this video all the way to the end. That tells us something about you. It tells us you care about your health and the health of the people around you, and we love that. If you found value in this today, please leave us a comment below. Tell us what surprised you the most about aloe vera, or share a tip you already knew. We read every comment, and we love hearing from you. And if you have not already, please hit subscribe. New videos come out regularly, all of them designed to make health simple, clear, and easy to understand. Share this video with someone who needs to hear it, a parent, a friend, a neighbor, because good health knowledge is one of the greatest gifts you can give. This is Biologex Health, and we will see you in the next one. Take care of yourself, stay curious, and remember, nature has been healing long before we knew the words for it.